Come on, let me show you where it's at. Come on, let me show you where it's at. Come on,
Next time by.
I said the name.
Green flag in the air. Bobby Santa Maria takes the early lead. Sarah Houston trying to get around the zero. Sarah Houston give her second. Doherty up on the high side. Going to be 3 wide. It's hard to call this. They are just racing battles all over the place. Bobby Santa Maria's got the best view. Nobody in front of him. Followed by Sarah Houston, Cole Raz, Jacob Hogan, Cody Canvassy, Daniel Doherty. Hogan gets way out of shape. Canvassy tries to go around him on the bottom. Brent Adams in the double zero. Doherty trying to get around him. No avail. Jake Boyle in the 26 got his nose in there along with Bill Black. Don on a roll Zoe in the number 1. Up front, Bobby Santa Maria. Dana Boatwright almost loses it going into 4. Jeremy Smith closes up after hit the brakes in a big hurry there. Jeremy Smith back in the back. Meanwhile, up front, Bobby Santa Maria, Sarah Houston, Cody Canvassy, Daniel Doherty, Brent Adams, Cole Raz all over the 21 of Sarah Houston. Side by side as they come off 2. Who's it going to be as when they get into turn 3? Still side by side. Cole Raz has got the ball, and that truck is just twisting and turning. Sarah Houston keeping him honest on the bottom. Cole Raz clears Sarah Houston in the 21 as they come off 2. Daniel Doherty working his way up front. He holds down 4th. Brent Adams still in 5th under attack from the 51 of Cody Canvassy. Jake Boyle looking underneath Hogan. Boyle able to get by as John DeHoopy spins it coming off 4. No caution on the racetrack as of yet. We stay green. Cole Raz starting to reel in the 23 of Bobby Santa Maria. Sarah Houston starting to lose ground. DeHoopy gets it back under, grabs a gear and goes. Here comes Cole Raz looking underneath the 23 of Bobby Santa Maria. Bobby keeps it honest on the high side. Give it to Cole Raz as they go into 3. Meanwhile, Daniel Doherty looking for 3rd underneath the 21 of Sarah Houston. Canvassy, Adams side by side as they go in the 1. Jake Boyle trying to get by Hogan. Doherty gets by the 21 of Houston, sets his sight on Bobby Santa Maria. Cole Raz putting down some 18-1s. Fastest truck on the racetrack. Cole Raz leading the way around Tucson Speedway. Cole Raz in the 22. Going to start getting into some lap traffic in the name of Bobby Babers. Action all over this 3/8 mile here in Tucson. Don Zoll trying to look underneath Brent Adams, but Jacob Hogan's up on the high side. Cole Raz Raz trying to get a lap put on Bobby Babers. Bobby Babers has the right front rotor glowing big time on that truck. Sarah Houston still all over Daniel Doherty. Trying to reel. Oh, we got a big pile up in turn 3. Jennifer Hall's around. Oh, Jeremy Smith. Too many trucks to count. The one of Don Zoll. That right front's done. Not quite sure what transpired up there, but it was not pretty. Raz has not. Comes back, he comes back with a vengeance. Green flag in the air. Raz gets out front. Houston's 3 wide up on the high side. Gets out of it. Look at Schilling, he's going for him. We're trying to make it 3 wide. He's all up in the loosey-goosey stuff. Jake Boyle trying to get himself into the top 4. Meanwhile, it's Raz, Doherty, Santa Maria, Jake Boyle trying to get into that 4th spot. Give it to him on the backstretch. Passes Canvassy. Canvassy thinks there's some traction way down on the bottom. I don't know how to step that there. Failed to do so. Jake Boyle takes over that 5th spot. Meanwhile, Raz puts it out front, stays there. Doherty, 21-25. Oh, Raz looking strong. Daniel Doherty, full Raz, starting to put some distance on Bobby Santa Maria. Jake Boyle, Cody Canvassy. Maybe white flag next time by. Oh, Raz sees the white flag one more time around. Oh, Raz trying to put that thing in victory lane for the first time. To come off 4. Give it to Raz, Doherty, Bobby Santa Maria, Jake Boyle, Cody Canvassy, Bill Black, Brandon Schilling, Sarah Houston, Mike Vaughn, Dana Boatwright. Oh, Raz, everybody, let him hear it.
All right.
Hey, Cole Raz, congratulations, man. That was havoc and mayhem. Congratulations on your first win. Talk to us about it.
Man, I'm just so excited. I'm kind of out of words. After that red flag, it was a long one. A lot of time to think what could go wrong, but my spotter, Ken Nash, timed it perfect on the restart. And we just pulled away there, stayed about 5 car lengths. But I got to thank Coldwell Bankers, the Master Ranch, my dad, my family, Brandon Farrington, Brad, and Joanne Corneliusen, and just everyone, Ken Nash, and it's just amazing.
Well, get your pictures that you've been there, done that, and we'll see you the next time out, man. Congratulations on #1.
All right, thank you very much.
The name of the place is I like it like